What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is Apple yesterday, with no press conference or anything, they just listed it on their website, announced a new product. And here you go, they are the Apple AirPods Pro. Kind of a little bit of a tongue twister there. And they retail for $249. They're available officially October 30th, aka tomorrow. So if you want to pick them up, you can tomorrow. And they have in-ear design with 3 tip sizes, small, medium, and large, that you can easily take off. Active noise cancellation with transparency mode, which allows you to hear what's going on around you and also kind of block some of the outside sounds. Also IPX4 rated water resistance, and they're sweat resistant as well. Up to 5 hours of battery life. And the charging is Lightning to USB-C cable. The case they come in is wireless charging compatible. What do you guys think? Are they too expensive? Are they just right? Are you gonna pick them up or not? Let me know in the comments down below. Next up, the November security update is rolling out currently to S10 and Note 10 phone users. So if you have that phone, check for the update. I don't have it currently, but you might have it. For the Note 10 users, I guess it's not really adding anything new. So don't be looking for anything new, maybe just except for some bug fixes. Speaking of new features for S10 users, this is directly from Samsung. You can see Galaxy software update. Powerful Galaxy Note 10 features come to the Galaxy S10. The update features several features such as AR Doodle, a built-in video editor, link to Windows integration, and an expanded night mode with a front-facing camera so you never miss a shot even after dark. Also, they have added live focus video so it'll blur out the background while you record video. So if you're thinking about jumping from the S10 to the Note 10, you really don't need to. Or if you did jump from the S10 to the Note 10, you might be a little bit disappointed that you did, just with a lot of these features coming. And now all of this just shows you guys going into the S11, Note 11 era, is that it looks more and more like they're really gonna just merge these two phones and be done with the Note line and have the S11 Note, or whatever they end up calling it, come early this year, have it be March, April, February, when this new S11 will come out. Just looks so much like they're just gonna merge it anyway. So what do you guys think? Do you think Samsung, because that's the rumors, that they're gonna merge these lines somehow. Do you think they're gonna do it? Do you think they're not? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys down the road. Peace.